What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the spare tire, the jack, and the tools you'll need to change a flat tire from a Dodge Ram. This is a 2020 Ram Classic here, but it will be the same on a few different years. So the first thing we need to do is remove our jack and tools, and that's going to be located in the front passenger side, and we're going to be looking under the front passenger seat. We see this little panel right here. Get a hold of it. That'll just pull off of there like that. Now, if we look down under here, we can see our jack right here, and then our tools are strapped to it. And there's this retaining nut right here, which I've already got loosened. So pull that all the way off, and then that will allow the jack and tools to come free like that. And once we have those, we need to head to the back of the vehicle. So I'll see you back there in the next shot. Okay, so we're in the back of the vehicle now. We have the tools and the jack that we just removed. We want to unstrap the tool pouch from the jack, like that. And we can set the jack to the side. Now if we empty out what we have in this tool pouch, this piece that has a curve on it, we can set that to the side. Then we're gonna have our lug nut wrench, which is also gonna be the handle. And then we're gonna have three pieces like this. And you just wanna hook the flared end over this little push clip, like that. And do the same thing again here. Let's see. And we do that. So we're gonna end up with one little bit skinnier end and then one flared end. And that flared end is what we're gonna wanna insert into this hole here. Now this is a Ram Classic. If yours is the regular newer version of the Ram, you're gonna have a little access cover that you need to lift up and off. But other than that, it'll be the same. So what we wanna do is we're gonna kinda come in at an angle, and there's a little nut on there that we're gonna go on. You can kind of feel when it catches on it. So put in a little bit of an angle off to our left. And then I can feel that it's on right there. So once you have it on, then grab your jack handle, and we're gonna put that on the end like that. And we're just gonna crank it to our left. We're gonna crank it to our left or counterclockwise. And as we do that, it's gonna lower the tire. Once it hits the ground, you'll feel it loosen up a little bit, but you want to give yourself just a little bit more slack to work with. Then, if we want to take a closer look at this, in order to get this retaining piece that's holding it up, what you want to do is lift the tire up, and then from the bottom, we want to turn this vertical and feed it up through the center, like that. And then that's going to allow that to come free. So if you couldn't see there what we did, it was sitting like this. Just pick this piece up, turn it vertical, and then it'll allow it to go through the center of the tire. And that's it. Then you have your tire down. To put everything back together, you'll reverse everything we just did, whether that's with this or if you have your flat tire. Put this down through the center, and then to crank it back up, you'll go to the right this time. So that's about it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.